Good afternoon. So at the outset, I would like to thank Dr. C.N. Raja and Dr. Anbarasu, who have been the main pillars for getting this accreditation done for us through IMA. The entire story began in, I think, 2018 or so, where I have been regularly in touch with Dr. Anbarasu and Dr. C.N. Raja sir. So explaining the need for rural critical care. As we all know, in the rural areas where our mission is to build quality ICU services, for which it is very, very important to have specifically trained doctors. And not just training, they should have the inclination of their mind to go and serve in the rural areas. We all know that there are many hospitals in rural areas, but to have a round-the-clock quality ICU services is something which is very difficult. During that time, I must put it on record the help and support rendered by Dr. Balaji Nandagopal, whom I admire as a very dynamic leader, who is the trustee and director of Vellore. So the places like that organization is where people should be trained, and the places in rural areas, the villages and taluk areas, is where the people should work. That is how you can bridge this gap that is currently existing in this society. So all the people who are currently chairing the dais in one way or the other have contributed to this mission. So as a humble beginning, we began 1 year ago. We had 6 candidates coming forward and enrolling for the course, which we wanted to keep it on par with international standards, something like EDIC, European Diploma in Intensive Care, and in no way less than the standards of any of the Indian critical care degrees currently available. And I hope by the way these people have performed in their exams, what is for MRCP in maybe in Europe or in Britain, this FICCM should be the same for rural areas in India. So I also congratulate them for their efforts that have been put forth, and thanking all the great people who are sitting here. So I welcome this August meeting. Thank you.